I was just seeing spreadsheets. I'm like, well, how are you going to track your work and how you're doing on each of the jobs? I said, can I at least create a spreadsheet for you that we can put in what is your labor cost, what's your material cost, what's your actual margins for everything? He goes, well, do you know how to do it? Because he goes, I don't. I'm just like, yeah. Nakita started with Vector last July, so 2024 in July. She was a school teacher. She quit in the spring. She didn't want to go back to teaching. She just needed to find something else. She was like a sponge, and she could take everything in, everything that I said. So, and I'm like, okay, this might be too good to be true, right? And so I kept digging into it, and I throwing more at her, getting her more involved with things, and she quickly, very, very quickly showed what she grew into now.